Yeah, okay. Hello everyone, I'm Rob, and I'm going to talk about my department's specialist research area, which is structured formulated products. I have here a very common example, which is mayonnaise. Now, if you read the packaging and believe all of the hype on it, you'll find that it's made of 3 main ingredients: oil, water, and eggs. And you'll find that if you believe it, the main driving quality factors are that it's organic, free-range, hand-reared chicken eggs, extra virgin olive oil, and natural Highland spring water. Yeah, that's sort of pulling your leg a little bit. It's not quite like that, because if you sat there and tried to make a sandwich of those ingredients, I mean, you put this slice of bread down, you drizzle on the oil, sprinkle on some water, and break open an egg and put some bread on top and then try to eat it. I mean, ugh. That's a horrid sandwich, and no matter how good those ingredients, no matter how hand-reared those chickens were, it's going to be horrid. The point is that you need to structure these ingredients in such a way to get this mayonnaise. If you were to put this under a microscope, you would see millions of oil droplets suspended in water, millions of them. And we call this an emulsion, and there are quite a lot of food products that share this structure, most notably milk, cream, and butter. And I bring them up because it's this fat in water structure that is perceived by the human mouth as being creamy. And as a formulation engineer, we can be quite clever with that. We can copy it. And one good example is this stuff, light mayonnaise. It's exactly the same if you look at it under a microscope and compare the two of them. They look the same under a microscope, but the ingredients, if you read the back of them, are completely different. And what we have done is we have copied the structure and made sort of fake oil droplets with starch granules. You will look at it and you will see starch granules that have the same size and shape as the oil droplets in here. And your tongue, well, can't really tell the difference. It's debatable. But that's what formulation engineering is about. It's about products whose structure is the main driving factor on their performance, not necessarily the quality of the ingredients. And thank you very much. And now it's a 20-second wait, I think.